Welcome to Finassets. In this video, you'll learn how to create a crypto payment link and send it to your customers in just a few steps. Let's start from the Finassets homepage. Finassets is a crypto payment gateway founded in 2021, designed for businesses that want to accept cryptocurrency payments easily. One of the key advantages of Finassets is its built-in Tron energy saving system. This feature helps reduce Tron network fees by more than 50%, making it especially efficient for businesses accepting USDT TRC20 payments. It offers low transaction fees, starting from 0.4% and decreasing to 0.2% as your transaction volume grows. The platform also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins like USDT and USDC. Now, let's see how to create a crypto payment link in practice. We'll move to the Finassets demo dashboard. Inside the dashboard, navigate to the Payment Gateway section. Then click Manage under Invoices. Next, open the Crypto tab. This is where you can create your payment link. In the Basic Info section, enter all the required details, including the asset, order ID, due date, and email address. Then, in the Items section, enter the item name, rate, and quantity. Once everything is ready, click the Send button. Finassets will automatically generate a crypto payment link and send it directly to your client's email address. If you'd like to share the payment link manually, simply open the payment you just created and copy the link from the dashboard. You can then send the link to your customer through any channel, such as Telegram, email, or other messaging apps. Your customer can open the link and complete the payment securely and quickly. This makes it easy to accept cryptocurrency payments without any complex integration or technical setup. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and send crypto payment links using Finassets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.